it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. What's up? I'm Sydney. This is Jenny. Hi. And we're going to San Diego and I'm gonna vlog it. It's our spring break. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, follow us on Instagram, and yeah, let's get right into the vlog. Roll the intro, because now I have an intro. We have made it to our hotel. We are here. We need food. We got a nice little balcony action, you know. The beach is like behind us, you know. And we already made it a mess. Only been here not even an hour. But like, oh, selfie time. Okay, I get it. It's fine.
Here we go. 1, 2. I don't know what to look at.
But yeah, we're gonna go find food and take pictures. It's only noon here and we're hungry. So let's get it started.
Let's go.
First stop on the trip, this cute little restaurant. What is it called? Firehouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. So cute. We need drinks.
Colada.
Drinks ASAP. So we were just walking around. We're at some public restrooms because Jenny couldn't hold in her pee.
Yep.
And
it's
I don't
chilly.
know. What are we doing? Yeah, it's cold
It
right
rained
now.
for 2 minutes.
Yep.
And we don't know what to do.
Yeah, we literally don't know what to do.
Sit on the beach, so
right
we're gonna
now.
go in a hot tub.
Yeah,
Maybe.
the hotel. Jenny, how'd everything come out? Sherbet nipper. So we are getting an Uber right now, trying to. Yeah. And then we're gonna go out, get dinner. It's Fat Tuesday, right? Fat Tuesday.
Yes.
Yeah, it's Fat Tuesday. So we're gonna go out for Mardi Gras festivities and whatnot. But look at this. Oh, look at the beach. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. We are here at American Junkie getting food and drinks so we can start the night. Yay! Yay! So we got our drinks. Everyone got these cups. Yep. And Annie got a blue moon. We got a Mardi Gras hat. Ooh! Ooh! Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hey, yeah, Jenny, chug, 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 chug. This is so
Behind the scenes. How would you rate your experience of the American Junkie drink?
I would give it a 9.
A 9 out of 10?
Yeah.
On 10? Don't get too... Okay, put your head next to it. Let's compare. Lovely. Sydney, let's compare your head now. Drink to head ratio is pretty...
So I didn't want to pull out my vlog camera right in that moment, but
I'm gonna be on the news.
we just got interviewed by ABC Channel 10 News. Check us out, 11 o'clock news. Those are our friends from the news. No, forks up. Forks up. Hey. All right, we just finished up at, I'm gonna run into a scooter at American Junkie.
Really cold right now, and I don't know why.
Yeah, it's like a tiny cold, a tiny bit cold.
Is this it?
Oh, is this it?
No shit. Where are they?
Oh, there they are. Oh shoot,
wanna
I'm
be
like
in the
mid-vlogging. But yeah, and we're just gonna bar hop a little.
There we are.
You're just like,
The vlog.
this has turned into a crawl.
The vlog?
And yeah. You wanna be in the vlog? Welcome to the vlog.
How's it going?
This is our new friend.
New friend, new friends. Love.
No, forks
Oh no, forks up. He goes to U of A. U of A sucks. Forks up.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah. Sydney Jazz. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, friends.
Okay. I feel like I'm really down.
Get our new friend Courtney.
This is our friend Courtney.
Yes.
She'll be coming back shortly. But I'm Annie. I am going to be Sydney's camera woman from now on this.
I'm Maddie.
Friends! Most important though is Courtney. She's the best.
Wait, we need Jenny to do a dance.
Okay. Hey, do a dance.
What?
Do a dance.
No, the #1 dancer here is David.
Ready?
Okay, come on, let me see it. Vlog, for the vlog.
Vlog for the vlog.
We're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay, this isn't a good song.
There we go.
DJ! Turn it up! Get it going!
Oh, oh.
Jenny's giving me the plug on the bathroom wall and putting my Instagram handle. We're trying to make the bed work. She messed up right there.
I accidentally wrote a J, I'm sorry. Here we go, look at it.
Woo! Plug, 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 plug.
I also did.
Love it. Love to see it.
We got glow sticks and beads. Wow.
I think the night is coming to an end. Yeah, we want to go home.
Time for bed.
We done.
They done, we done.
Let's sneak out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like human.
We just finished eating breakfast and Maddie and Jenny are taking pics. Yeah. Hello world, we are alive.
We didn't vlog our breakfast.
Yeah, I didn't really vlog the breakfast. I actually, I took a shot of you taking photos though.
Oh, good, good.
So that's
I hope you got a good pic. But yeah, we're going to go adventure and get coffee for sure. We're so tired and it's still gloomy as heck. But also, we're gonna do a little update on what happened last night because it was a very crazy night. And we need to tell you guys everything that happened because there was just a lot of random clips and random stuff happening. We don't even really know what was happening.
You're probably confused.
You're just as confused as we are. So yeah. So last night, I don't even really know what happened. We were, where were we? We were at American Junkie just eating dinner and like we had like those big drinks, fun time. And then these dudes who go to U of A like came up to us, brought us shots, and then they were like actually nice and like not creepy. So we're like, okay, but then there was Courtney and she's like the main reason. Courtney with a K. She was like the main reason we actually like went along with this. She had those like safe, nice mom vibes to her. She was like pretty drunk, but like she was like a nice lady. She was so nice. So we were like,
47?
we're gonna hang with Courtney with a K. Yeah, she's like 47 or something. Ended up, I guess she's like loaded or something. I don't really know. It was just a strange night.
She bought our drinks.
Yeah, she bought our drinks. So like it was good in that sense. We didn't have to deal with like weird boys. We hung out with Courtney with a K, but it was really fun.
So weird.
Yeah, it was so weird, so random.
Yeah. It was a good time.
It was a good time. Thought we would update since there was just a lot of random moments and clips from last night. But yeah, we just got better buzz. Everyone like their coffee?
Mine's really good.
Oat milk for the win.
Yeah, oat milk is the move.
We like on oat milk.
Yeah. But yeah, and now we're in La Jolla, right?
Yes.
And
We're gonna look at some seals.
yeah, we're gonna look at seals!
Is it seals or sea lions?
I don't know.
No, they're not.
There's sea lions.
Sea lions. Never mind, not seals. There's a difference.
Seals and then sea lions.
What?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Look at all the little sea lions. Oh, look at this one. He's like skirting. Oh. That is so adorable. So we are on Coronado Island, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And we're going to what?
Coronado del Sol.
Yeah, and apparently it's haunted. But yeah, we're just gonna go like check it out, I guess.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'll be fun. We are back in the room and we got pizza and wine.
Yay! I'm so happy!
Woo! It's finally a beautiful day outside, so we can finally be on the beach. We're getting a little early dinner, and we got a massive margarita. The gang's all here. There's Annie. Annie's getting beer again.
I got my filters.
I got literally nachos just for me. Hello, YouTube.
So we're just chillaxing, charging phones now until we decide to make some moves, maybe get ready, go to a happy hour or something. But
Canon is on its way
that's
down.
it.
Yeah.
Till next time.
Annie's got her beer! Are out. It's our last night. There's Annie. And people? Yeah, we're out and about. It's the last night. Spring break. 2019.
And rock man. We got motorcycles.
Okay, let me tell you about our night. We went out. And
We went out.
times and we danced and we partied and we got cheap drinks and then we came home.
Yeah.
That was about it.
Fun. So yeah, last night we went out again and met up with our friends, and yeah, we got really cheap drinks all night. We danced with like other girls in the club, and we were like, yeah, girl.
International Women's Day
International
represent.
Women's Day, and it was so much fun. And we just got a nice little hungover breakfast, and now we are on our way back to Arizona. So with that, we are signing off.
Yeah,
Thanks. But yeah, thanks for following along and watching this very hectic, all over the place vlog. Hope you guys had a good spring break. If it hasn't happened,
Go like
or
my
if it
Instagram
does,
pictures.
Yeah. Yeah, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. New videos every Wednesday, sometimes Thursday, because life happens. Okay, bye, love you guys.